Imagine the unthinkable. Earth's vast oceans, the cradle of life, begin to recede, not over millennia, but within a mere few years. Within months, coastlines worldwide would dramatically recede, exposing immense stretches of continental shelf that have been submerged for eons. The immediate impact would be a catastrophic mass extinction event. Billions of marine organisms, from microscopic plankton to giant whales, would perish from dehydration and lack of habitat. Coastal economies, which rely heavily on fishing, shipping, and tourism, would collapse instantaneously, leading to unprecedented global economic turmoil and displacement. As the oceans vanish, so does the primary source of global precipitation. Cloud formation would cease, leading to a rapid and relentless global drought. Without the ocean's immense capacity to absorb and distribute solar heat, global temperatures would skyrocket, turning temperate regions into uninhabitable infernos. Deserts would expand at an unprecedented rate, consuming arable land and transforming once fertile regions into barren wastelands within a few short years. Where the deep ocean once lay, immense plains of crystallized salt would emerge, reflecting the harsh sunlight and creating a truly alien landscape. Fine sediments from the exposed seabed, now dry and unprotected, would be whipped into colossal, planet-engulfing dust storms, choking the atmosphere. The global freshwater crisis would deepen exponentially. Rivers and lakes, deprived of rainfall and fed by rapidly diminishing groundwater, would dry up completely. Phytoplankton, responsible for generating a significant portion of Earth's oxygen, would be gone. Over time, atmospheric oxygen levels would begin to slowly but steadily decline. The ocean's immense capacity to absorb carbon dioxide would vanish, leading to an uncontrolled buildup of CO2 in the atmosphere, intensifying the greenhouse effect. The removal of billions of tons of water pressure from the Earth's crust could trigger unprecedented seismic activity, leading to widespread earthquakes and tsunamis, if any water left for them to form. Changes in crustal stress might also alter patterns of volcanism, potentially leading to increased volcanic eruptions in new or dormant regions. With no rain and soaring temperatures, terrestrial plant life would wither and die. Forests would turn to tinder, and the entire land-based food web would unravel. Mass animal extinctions on land would follow swiftly. Herbivores would starve, and carnivores, deprived of prey, would soon follow, devastating global biodiversity. Humanity would face an existential crisis. Billions would be displaced, desperately migrating in search of dwindling freshwater sources, leading to unprecedented conflicts and desperation. To survive, humanity would be forced to retreat into controlled, subterranean environments, relying on advanced technology for air and water filtration and food production. The atmosphere itself would change, thicker with dust, drier, and eventually oxygen poor. It would become increasingly hostile to any remaining surface life. The planet's surface would transform into a barren, red-tinged wasteland reminiscent of Mars, utterly inhospitable and devoid of the vibrant ecosystems we know. Deep-sea hydrothermal vents, once teeming with unique extremophile life, would be exposed and inactive, revealing strange mineral formations and dead ecosystems. The drying of the oceans would reveal countless ancient secrets, untouched shipwrecks, vast geological formations, and perhaps even evidence of prehistoric civilizations. The struggle for the last remaining resources, potable water, breathable air, and food, would define humanity's existence, leading to constant conflict and desperation. The Earth, as we know it, would cease to exist. A new, harsh planet would emerge,
a stark and desolate monument to the vital, irreplaceable role of our oceans. This scientific thought experiment underscores a profound truth. The health of our oceans is intrinsically linked to the survival of all life on Earth. Protect our blue planet.